Good morning, children. Welcome to our geography class. Now we are going through our new lesson, Minerals and Energy Resources. In the last class, you have learned about the minerals and the mode of occurrence of minerals. As you studied in the last class, the minerals are an indispensable part in our lives. Human beings are largely dependent on minerals. We are directly associated with the utilization of various kinds of minerals in our day-to-day life. Today, we will discuss about ferrous minerals and non-ferrous minerals. What are minerals? Minerals are naturally occurring substances having a definite chemical composition and physical characteristics. Minerals are homogeneous, naturally occurring substance with a definable internal structure. It occurs in the form of ores, deposits, rocks, etc. These rocks are made up of minerals. Example for minerals are iron, bauxite, calcium, copper, etc. The minerals are classified on the basis of its color, hardness, crystal, forms, density and luster. So we can classify the minerals into, or minerals are broadly categorized into metallic and non-metallic and also energy minerals. In the metallic category, we have the ferrous minerals and non-ferrous minerals, and also precious minerals like gold, silver, platinum, etc. We can move to understand more about the ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals have iron content and it is used in metallurgical industry. Account for about 3/4 of the total value of the production of metallic minerals. See, these ferrous minerals contain more iron content. These ferrous minerals account for about 3/4 of the total value of production of metallic minerals. They provide a strong base for the development of metallurgical industries. What is metallurgy? Metallurgical industries, that is, it is a branch of science and technology mainly concerned with the production and properties of metal and its production and its purification. So these ferrous minerals provide a strong base for the development of metallurgical industry like steel industries and all. So, India exported substantial quantities of ferrous minerals after meeting our own internal demands. So, the iron industries gives us a boost to the Indian industry because as we have that much source of good quality of iron content ferrous minerals. The iron industries are the backbone of the all industries in India. So as we have a good source of iron content ferrous minerals, it really gives us a boost to the Indian industries as well as Indian economy. Children, iron ore, manganese, nickel and cobalt, all these are the different types of ferrous minerals. So we can learn more about iron ore. India is rich in good quality of iron ores. The magnetite and hematite ores, these are the two important iron ores which are found abundantly in India. Magnetite is the finest iron ore and it is very high iron content and high magnetic qualities, and also it is valuable in the electrical industry. Then hematite ore, it is the most important iron ore in terms of the quantity used. Lower iron content than magnetite. Actually, this magnetite is better quality when compared to hematite. So, iron ore is the basic mineral and backbone of industrial development. India is abundant. India has abundant of the magnetite ore. This magnetite is the finest iron ore with very high content of iron up to 70%. It has excellent magnetic qualities, especially valuable in the electrical industries. Hematite is one of the most important industrial iron ore in terms of the quantity used, but it has slightly lower content than the magnetite. So, the backbone or the quality of good products for every basic industry is the iron ore. So we have the availability of good quality of iron ore, that is about 70% of the magnetite and 50 to 60% of the hematite are available in India. Now let's check what are the different region or the regions where the iron ore is found and located in India. So what are the major iron belts found in India? The first one is Odisha Jharkhand belt. In Odisha, high grade hematite ore is found in Badambaha mines in the Mayurganj and Kendujar districts. The second famous iron belt in India is in Durg Basar Chandrapur belt. This lies in the Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra. Very high grade hematites are found in the famous Bailadila range of hills in the Bastar district of Chhattisgarh. Iron ore from these mines is exported to Japan and South Korea. And the third iron belt is Bellary, Chitradurga, Chikmagalur, Thamkur belt. This is located in Karnataka and has large reserves of iron ore. And the last iron belt found in Maharashtra. This Maharashtra Goa belt includes the states of Goa and Ratnagiri districts of Maharashtra. So these are the important regions where the iron ore is found and located in India. Children, now let's understand the another important ferrous mineral, that is manganese. This manganese used in the manufacturing of steel and ferromanganese alloy. And also it is used in manufacturing of bleaching powder, insecticides and paints. 10 kg of manganese required to manufacture 1 ton of steel. Odisha is the largest producer of manganese ores in India. It accounted for 1/3 of country's total production in 2000 to 2001. The another important metallic minerals are nickel and cobalt. This nickel is mainly used to plate other metals to protect them and also this nickel is used for making alloys such as stainless steel. And the fourth important ferrous mineral is cobalt. Example for ferrous mineral is cobalt. Due to this cobalt, what's the speciality of this cobalt? Due to its good high temperature resistance and the magnetic performance, this cobalt is widely used in aerospace and manufacturing of machineries. It is one of the important raw materials used for the production of high temperature alloys. So children, now you are aware about the important ferrous minerals. What are the important ferrous minerals? Iron ore, manganese, nickel and cobalt. Children, now let's learn what are non-ferrous minerals. India's reserves and production of non-ferrous minerals is not satisfactory. These minerals include copper, bauxite, lead, zinc and gold, play a vital role in a number of metallurgical, engineering and electrical industries. So these non-ferrous minerals include copper, bauxite, lead, zinc and gold, and it has a vital role in a number of metallurgical, engineering and electrical industries. Now let's check what are the features of copper. This copper is malleable, ductile and a good conductor. What do you mean by malleable? Malleable, that a metal can be beaten into a thin sheet, that is called malleable. So this copper is malleable, that can be beaten into a small thin sheets. And also it is ductile, that is that metal can be beaten or that metal can be drawn out into a thin wire. It also can change into like a wire, thin wire. So this copper is the main features of copper are it is malleable, it is ductile and also a good conductor of electrical current. So copper is one of the most important, most popular material that is used for conductors. Then it is used in so that's why we can use it in electrical cables, electronics and chemical industries. These being malleable, ductile and a good conductor, copper is mainly used in electrical cables, electronics and chemical industries also. The Balghat mines in Madhya Pradesh, K3 mines in Rajasthan, and Singhbhum district of Jharkhand are leading producers of copper. Now let's learn another important non-ferrous mineral, that is bauxite. Aluminium is obtained from bauxite and it is formed by the decomposition of a wide variety of rocks rich in aluminium silicates. This aluminium is light in weight and has a good conductivity and great malleability. It is also used in automobile, aerospace and packaging industries. Then those who all are the important producers of bauxite in India: Amarkantak Plateau, Michael Hills, the Plateau region of Bilaspur Katni, Panchpatmali deposit in Koraput, that is in Odisha. So this Odisha was the largest bauxite producing state in India with a 34.97% of the country's total production in 2009 to 2010. So these are the important, copper and bauxite are the two important non-ferrous minerals. Children, look at this figure. From this figure, you can understand that 52% of total production of iron ore comes from Odisha, and that is highlighted in blue. And rest of the states, that is Chhattisgarh 16%, and Karnataka 14%, Jharkhand 11%, and others 7% accordingly. So in this we can understand that the Odisha is producing more iron ore in India. Then when we check the production of manganese, in the figure will be like this. See, the production of manganese showing state-wise share in percent during 2009 to 2010. In this, there also Odisha is leading the production of manganese. See, Odisha producing 25% of the manganese, and the Madhya Pradesh comes from Madhya Pradesh is only 24%, and from Karnataka it is 22%, and the rest of the states the production are 29% altogether. Children, this is the production of copper showing state-wise share in percent as per 2009 to 2010. Rajasthan 48%, that is out of total production of copper, Rajasthan constitute 48%, and Madhya Pradesh 29%, and the Jharkhand 16%, and the other states altogether constitute only 7% of the total production of copper. Children, this is the state-wise production of manganese and bauxite. In the case of manganese, 25% of the total production of manganese coming from Maharashtra, and 27% from Madhya Pradesh, and Odisha 25%, Karnataka 11%, Andhra Pradesh 10%, and the rest of the 2% is coming from the other states of India. And in the case of bauxite, the total production is coming from Odisha, that is 49%, and 24% from Gujarat, 9% from Jharkhand, and 8% from Chhattisgarh, and 8% from Maharashtra. Rest of the 2% are constitute the rest of the states. So this is the state-wise production of manganese and bauxite. Children, you have learned about the metallic minerals that include both ferrous and non-ferrous minerals, and also studied the different ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. Learn the topic thoroughly, attend the test paper, and also write down the notes. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.